You see it? Get the unboxing here. What should we do first? Where should we go? Where should we go? Let's go here. You know what? Because this is little. Let's pull that back there. Sorry, keep it in focus. Boom. It's a nice little box, too. I like the way they put it. But we can go here. It's amazing. This was the only one. And this, they only had like 2. So everybody out there, Pokemon stuff is getting crazy. And I went around for like a good hour and a half looking. Man, I'm telling you, when I was playing Pokemon cards, and everybody was like, oh my gosh, why you playing Pokemon? Pokemon was so loud. And now, during these times, everybody's back on it. Back on it. Oh, look at the artwork on these portfolios. Oh, Mew, my guy. See him? We got on the back. That's a newer guy. Really don't know him. You might know him. Hit it up in the comments. Oh, look at this. I like this artwork, even the colors. And the books are sturdy. Oh, I like this one a little bit better than this one. Even though Mew's my guy. It's sturdy. Hard. Nice for protection. Got a couple, sleeves inside there. See how we do. Next one. Couple sleeves inside there. Always good. Like I said, I don't get Pokemon stuff to resell it. Open it up on the channel for y'all guys. Why resell when you could just entertain the people? Let's put those right there. We got 2 card packs. We got the Breakthrough. We got the Sun and Moon. Where should we go first? Any, mini, money, moon, catch a tiger by his toe. If it hollers, let him go. Yes or no. We gonna go here. Definitely. The reason, 10 cards. Pokemon.com. Gotta catch them all. That's what I'm trying to do now. I'm trying to start a new collection. Pokemon 2, hit me up. Let me know. Definitely will always make a video. It'll be fun to get sponsored by somebody. I'm telling you, back in the days, I used to get a lot of Pokemon stuff from Pokemon. I remember one time when they made the new Pokemon game that was sort of, oh, there we go, sort of like Candy Crush, and they turn around, and I got one for free by signing up for it with a Togepi plushie. That was cool. Here's the code for the peoples out there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, you got a Leaf Energy. Oh, I seen something already. Whoa, I didn't mean to do that. We got a Hunter. Trainer card. Kakuna. A Ghastly. Uh-oh. Aaron. Mankey. Swinub. Staryu. Reverse Hollow. Aaron. Next card pack. Promo code. Hey, gotta get that. We got a white card pack. Might be looking better here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Card trick. Flip it. Fire. Oh, that was an energy card. Did I do the trick wrong? Oh, let's start it off here. What we got? Pinsir. Some nice art on that card. Bolt. Scatterbug. Goldeen. And another reverse hollow. Woo, woo. Put these to the side. Got 2 reverse hollows. Everything to the side. Let's bring this out. See exactly what we got inside here. Shots out. Talking to Pokemon. They had some like that little thing. Go with this right here. Whoop, whoop. Got your dice. Got your battle coins. One, two, three. Got your Pokemon Trainer's Guidebook. Tell you how to play the game. You got your 4 packs. 2 of the same, 1 of a different. We got your sleeves. You got, oh, the promo card, look at it. We got cards in the deck. And it's the other 50. So it comes with a 150. That gotta be it. Boom. Let's move this to the side. Get these out the way. Get those back in a second. So everything that's in the box. Here goes the promo code. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Now, says we got our 150. We got our 4 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got our 65 cards. Training book. Boom. Boom. 7 dice. 2. Anybody out there checking this video out, thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the like. I promise you, as I find them, I'll be here with more content and more and more and more. Second book. And let's go save these packs to the side. Let's open the 65, see who we got inside here. The 65. It's a nice full art card. Hey, was that a mistake? We got 2 of these bad boys. It looks like there's doubles of another one. Mostly trainer cards. Yes, mostly trainer cards. In the 65, now let's see what's in the 150. Yes, definitely. Whoa. Now that's a lot of cards. A lot of energies. I guess that's what this is full of. Yep. As I scroll through, it's all energy cards. So basically, this pack was bought for these 4 cards packs right here, and the promo card I see, from what I can see. So we can go here. We got a Sun and Moon, Sword and Shield, Sword and Shield, Rebel Clash, Rebel Clash. We're gonna open these last since they're the newest. We're gonna go Sun and Moon. Sorry guys, Sun and Moon. Let's move some of this back, get these things back closed. Once again, Pokemon, so you can see the portfolio. We're gonna do all of that for you. Might be good. We got a white card. Here's the code for you guys. Knock that to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully it's a good card because coloration card is centered in the back and got its energy down. Trainer card, Spur, Salt. Okay. It's new Pokemon. First Hollow. Oh, we got a GX. Tapping Bull. Ooh, that was nice. Nice card pack, Ooh, that was a nice one. Weeping Willows, that was a nice one. You can go Sword and Shield. Come on, stay focused, focus, card, focus. Got a green card pack. Here's that code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Let's see. Coloration is good. All right. Trainer, Kingler, Fire. This might be a good one. We're looking at a fire. I love fire. Playing with fire, you can get burned. Gotta be careful. What we got here? Nothing on this plot. Next card pack. Hope y'all enjoying the video. Like, subscribe, please, and let me know I'm doing something. Even if you don't dislike it, leave some comments. Just trying to make the channel better. We got a white card pack. Hey, you guys, this might be a good one. You know what we definitely looking for? We want that Zard. That's for the people out there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha. fighting. Nope. Okay. Here we go. Getting a lot of trainer and energy type cards. Here's a Pokemon. It's a new one. Caterpie. Corsola. Litwick. Shinx. Reverse hollow. Hey, we got a hollow. Whoa, look at that bad boy. A reverse and a hollow in the same pack. Nice. Thank you to the Pokemon gods. You know, they doing me justice. Take a quick run through here real quick. Riz out of here. I didn't realize. Just checking. Sorry, just checking. That one was okay. We got a reverse hollow and a hollow. It's the last pack for the opening. Here we go. We chasing something. Oh, the pack don't want to open. It don't want y'all to see it. Let me find out. Look how much trouble it's giving me. Wow. And I was a pack master. I used to be able to open these things with no problem. This one is extra glue and adhesive. Huh? You know what time it is. You know what that means when it come out like that. Uh-oh. Boom. You're not even gonna peek at the first card. You keep it straight clean opening. Ha! Green, I don't know how to feel. Green, I don't know how to feel. One, two, three, four. Ha! Let's go. Energy. Ooh. Oh, we got another double up. Oh, that was it today. We ain't get nothing crazy. Oh, well, if you tune into this, thanks. Like, subscribe, comment. We tried what we get in the market, but we got a decent amount of cards. Kids is gonna go ham. Once again, shout out to the local Target. Kids can reenact some memories I had as a kid. This is what we did pull out those packs. All the reverse hollows and hollows. One hollow, everything reverse. That's the promo, reverse. And then we did get this card. Oh. Anybody knows the value on this one, let me know. It's nice. It's a full art. We'll be sleeving these up in the book. Keep hollows in books, no matter what they are. And we let the kids go to town on this. But that's what we got for you today. Keep up with the channel. Till next time, bringing you another banger. Peace. We out.